everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another embagging, so that means we have another review. Let's take a look and see who it is from. All right. We have a couple of pre-stamped cross stitches. This is from the GBFKE store, and I ordered this on the 29th of September. I wanted to say October, and it got here on the 17th. So I'm just getting to this, and today is the 20th, so it didn't take too long at all to get here. So I was pretty impressed. Get the scissors out of the way, and we will get on with the first one. Isn't that beautiful? I'll take it out of the package, but I just thought it was gorgeous. We got some black marks here from something, but it is on the plastic side, so not on the canvas. What looks like the black magic marker got in between everything. I've had that happen. But isn't that gorgeous? I think I have this in a diamond painting somewhere. I'm not sure how big it is. You know, the diamond painting, that is. This one is 40 by 85. It is an 11 count. But look at all of those colors. Oh, can you ever? And it's like all trees. Let me see if I can get this puppy out of here. Hold that thought. I'm trying. Goodness gracious. Well, it's got a kind of a long piece. It's only got 20 colors in it. I thought for sure it'd have way more than that. Does have the product number and how big it is. Doesn't say how many squares per square. So, yeah, I don't know how this is all going to turn out. But there are some big areas. And a little bit of splashing of the, what do you call it, confetti. So that's not bad. This kit was $23.23, and for that price, I would have expected it to have a whole lot more colors in it. Can't believe that. Outrageous. Yeah, I don't know. And this is a DIY company cross stitch, and it's just cross stitch. We'll set that up there, and we'll look at all these colors. For 40 by 85, there's your colors. Got some lovely gold color down here. It's like an orangish gold. I know it shows like bright orange there, but it's got a little yellow in it that knocks down the brightness. But really pretty colors. There's just, in my opinion, not enough of them. You know, different shades. So I don't know how this is all going to work. Not real clear. Let's take a look at the canvas. There are 3 needles there. I don't know. Not real sure. There's not a lot of definition. You know, like the transition in between colors. You know, like to get to that where it would start from light to going to a darker, say, orange or purple. I don't know. I'm just kind of disappointed. But nice, big, easy to read symbol. And, what do you call it? Key over here does have the colors. I was like, where did my measure thing go? So, yeah. I can't believe that's 85. It's just, it doesn't even look like it. $84. That's an approximation because I'm having to go a long distance with that. And it is 40 that way. The actual picture size is, hold that thought, we're coming, 74, which is 29 by, oh, almost 30, which is like 11 3/4. But yeah, I just don't think there's enough colors in this. I don't know, just kind of strange. Odd, huh? And like I said, I don't remember how big the diamond painting is. It's been, God, 4 or 5 years since I got that diamond painting. I got it at Amazon. So, I have nothing. I got nothing. Alright. So the next one is this one. I will take it out of the bag. Hang on, we're losing stuff offside of it. Where's the... Oh. Couldn't figure out how to open it. This one was $6.28. I think the other one was totally overpriced. Because this is a 40 by 50. But I just thought it was pretty, so let's see if it lives up to its name, or its picture, shall we say. But you have a little boatman here, and you have these, I don't know, I want to say they're gates in China. I could be totally wrong. If you know what these are called that stand in water, I don't know if it's from like an ancient place that got flooded, or if they made those on purpose. I can't remember. It's been a very long time. So let's take a look at its colors. This has 25 colors. At least it's mostly in blues and shades of blues. Do have a little bit of a burgundy color over here, some bright orange. That's just going to be splashes. And it does have the product number. That's a 9, and it's backwards. So, yeah, I'll show you the, what do you call it? The paper pattern here in a minute, but I wanted to get to this. So, yeah, at least it's all in blues. Does have some white. It looks like 3865. And it has no 310. So, beautiful blues. Blues and burgundies. Whoops, we got a straggler here. He's bringing up the rear. Let me get out the paper pattern. Nice pattern, but it's a little small. This has 25 colors in it. And it looks like it's got some big areas. Tad bit of, you know, splashes of confetti, though, but this would definitely have to be blown up for me. It has 823, 939, 3865, and 3756 for another shade of white. But, yeah. And it's on that shiny paper, so it won't crinkle and break off. You know, like if you had to fold this and actually use it, it won't break down what the symbols look like. Yeah. Let's take a look at that canvas. It has 2 needles there. Look like one. And it goes up and down. I need a drink. Sorry here. More coffee. very nicely printed, very easy to see. But at least this has the shading in it of all the blues and a little bit of orange here and there. So, and it's not too terribly big, which is nice. I was like, where did it go again? Let's see here. It's supposed to be 40 by 50. Let's see, 48 by about 40 and a half, actually, this way. Actual picture size is maybe 39 and a half, about 15 and a half by 30, which is pretty close to 12 inches. So it's kind of an oblong-ish thing by a couple inches here or there. But I think I would be more likely to work on this than I would the one with all the trees that I love all the colors. I'm just disappointed in that other one. And this canvas is very stiff. Neither one of these were... I have to look, hang on. Yeah, neither one of these is serged all the way around. So yeah. Different, huh? But I do like those blues. So it'd be interesting. And this one is not so big. But it has, you know, some big areas to stitch in. So it's not all confetti. And even in the parts that have more than one, what do you call it? Symbol, it's not terribly, like, every third one is a different color. Oh, yeah. Like New Orleans. But, yeah. But I just liked the picture. I thought it was kind of pretty. And I liked that it wasn't huge. Because after using that much blue, it's like, we're done. Gotta do something else. But, yeah, I think it would be fine. So, you know, this would be one for a long winter's day, you know, because you got big areas to stitch in. And it'd be interesting to watch those colors, you know, come together. Alright, now GBFKE has, they have a free gift when you order 30 euros. I don't know what that is in dollars or pounds or whatever. And they have free shipping on orders over 55 euros. They have diamond painting, cross stitch. They have custom in diamond painting and cross stitch. They have tools and crafts for both of those. They do not have a separate Joy Sunday section. And I was looking to see, they also have embroidery, sorry. But I'm not sure if they have paint by number. Some stores do, some stores don't. So go check them out. And thank you, GBFKE store, for sending me these beautiful kits. I don't know when I'll get to them, but they are beautiful. Except for that other one, it's kind of iffy. I'd have to see that all in action, all those. The tree one, I'm just, I don't know, kind of hesitant. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.